Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn on personalized ads on your account on X Twitter, easy and quick. First click on your profile, click settings and privacy, and now click privacy and safety. Here you will find it, ads preferences settings, click on it, and now just click on it like this. Click personalize the ads and it will be turned on. That's how to turn on personalized ads on your account on X Twitter, easy and quick, and that's it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.